So now you can hear me. Yeah, thank you, thank you. So let's try this again. Yeah, of course, that is better. So thank you guys. So let's get here again into the Bitcoin chart and let me try this now here again on a proper screen. So what we have seen here today is something absolutely crazy. So let me get here into a 4-hourly chart. Then we actually can see what happened. So here, this candle was absolutely crazy. And what we had seen here was that first, the price was moving here to the upside and looked like that we are preventing here a death cross that we got now here. But then the price got smashed down when we came close to the 50, all the way down. And now it looks like that the price wants to trade here again to the upside. So in the best case scenario, what we can see would be a fake out of that death cross here, and that would look like that the 50 comes directly back up here and crosses the 200, and then we would get a golden cross. And in the best case scenario, then the 50 would continue to trend here higher and the price action would follow and stay above the 50. So, but for that to happen, the price action has to come up and get over the 200. So and that the 200 is sitting right now at $47,600. So, and it could be quite difficult for Bitcoin right now to get over that level, and let me show you why. So here at $46,300 approximately is now severe resistance from here, and also from here, and now also this wick candle here. So if Bitcoin comes up here, we will have a problem to break through it. And let me just check here something. Yeah, also the VPVR is showing that, and I cannot make this up, that here the longest bar are sitting right now. So there is definitely massive resistance for Bitcoin that has to be broken so that we can actually get here in higher levels once again. I also want to have here a quicker look here on this chart. So here on the 4-hourly chart, oh guys, I just see that I don't have the camera on. Let me change that quick. Oh, sorry. And there we go. So there you can see me. Well, sorry guys. So let's try this again. So there we are going. There we are. Yeah. So also here on the 4-hourly chart, we can see here that we are trading back in the green box, and that here this huge wick candle came actually all the way up to the top and got then also smashed down. So we have here a lot of confluence that at the top of the box is a lot of resistance right now. So, but we have, I think, no, we have not, but we got close to hit the technical target of our falling wedge here. So, but yeah, we got slammed down before we could actually reach the technical target all the way up here. So yeah, but we should also not forget, guys, as long as we are trading here in this green zone, there is still a hope that we get here a push above it and move here to the upside. I will only change here to a complete bearish stance if we are dropping out of that box and go here to the downside. Unless that is not happening, I definitely will keep a bullish bias here, or a neutral to bullish bias. Then let's have a look on Ethereum. So here we actually had dropped out of the green box here. So there was the dropout, but we got supported by the $3,182 level here. And now it looks like that we are pushing back up into the green box. So now we have to see if Ethereum can manage to find here support at the bottom of the box here again. And from this bottom then bounces to the upside and gets here another attempt to break out of it. So I'm sorry guys, 1 second. 1 second guys. So okay, so I'm here back guys. So let me have a look quick here in the chat, what's going on here. Wow, yeah, at least almost 200 people here. Amazing, guys. So I want to get here quick into the chat with you guys. Yeah, so I will get into ADA. Don't worry, guys. I will also get into Cardano. So let me put here the camera on. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still a little bit sick. So let's see here what's going on. Yeah, Seth, thank you for the car. Hi from Portugal. So yeah, now, okay. A lot of people are asking for Cardano. So let's get into Cardano actually. So here for Cardano, I believe we could form here a really big ascending triangle, as long as we are not breaking here this upwards trending trend line and we keep respecting this trend line. We could be here in a massive ascending triangle. So, and this ascending triangle would have a target, if it breaks to the upside, of $3.09. But here comes now a really big but, guys, and that is something that we should not disregard. When we are coming out of a downtrend, what we are having right now, so here we had here that initial move to the downside, $2.06, where Cardano could break down to. In my opinion, that would not be all too bad, because it would give us a really nice opportunity to buy here down in these levels again before Cardano will then here move to the upside once again and then get here over $3 and beyond. So if you're holding Cardano, maybe you have here a little bit early Christmas this year, where Cardano comes back to all the way down to $2. You can buy it there again and then trade it to the upside. So, but other than that, so there was definitely here this fake out of that W pattern, what we had seen here, where we moved to the upside and then actually came straight back down here. So that happens from time to time. We have to take that in consideration. But Bitcoin is actually pumping here right now. Look at this, guys. As we speak, Bitcoin is pumping here back to the upside. There could be a new W pattern unfolding right now here on the 4-hourly chart. If you look here at this, so that could be maybe another W pattern. So let me have a look here. No, not like this. So if it would complete here like this, so it's not a really beautiful one, I admit that. So, but if we measure it like this and we take it to a breakout point, so that would bring us to $48,600, guys. So yeah, so but for this, the pump has here to continue to go to the upside. Also, when we look here for our golden cross on the daily, what I had mentioned on the earlier live stream, that horrible went in the car, the price action has to come here over the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average, in so that we get actually here the golden cross that we are all waiting and hoping for. And then also the price action should get an explosive move to the upside, that we actually validate this golden cross. Otherwise, if that is not the case and we get the golden cross, but the price action is going here sideways down or just sideways, then we should be prepared that this golden cross could just fake out and roll over, and also the 50 could then do something like this. So, and then we are in trouble. So here the 50 could do something like this. Then we are in trouble, because then we get here a death cross, and then the price action will also trend to the downside. And then I think then our green zone here, our green zone, I think will not hold support anymore. And then we will drop all the way down to the next green zone level. So I want to have a quick look again into the chat. So almost 200 people here. Amazing, guys. So let me get here quick into the chat once again. What's the theory about the market cycle and cycle top? Yeah, I believe, sorry guys, I believe there is a market cycle and there's also a cycle top, but we are not there yet. What's your opinion on plan to be price prediction reminder of, I think it is pretty accurate. There are way more price predictions that have been validated than just the two that you are mentioning there. So that, yeah, I think he could be right. But remember, he said 43K is the worst case that he is seeing for September. So that's the worst case. And also 63K is the worst case for October. So we could actually be much, yeah, we could go much higher than that. So, and I also believe that 43K will be not the level that we are closing for September. I think it could be close to 50K where we actually close the month. Emerald, my price prediction for VeChain end of year could be between 60 cents and $1. So now let me show you also something else here. So and here I'm again on the BLX chart. So on the Brave New Coin chart. So we should not forget that right now we are only testing support and resistance here on the two lines. So the first yellow line here, this one here, is support, because we can see that we here bounced here heavily off that to the upside. And the upper yellow one is right now acting as resistance because we cannot manage to get over that. So for now, this is absolutely fine. But even if we would break through both levels, then we have our parabolic curve. And in every bull run, in every market cycle, this parabolic curve, even if we touched it, it was always holding support. And we always got a bounce back to the upside until the curve went here vertical, and then actually we saw that we fall off that curve and went into a bear market. So, but this is not the case right now. So in the worst case, we see here a drop to the bottom of it, a bounce, and then we continue to go here into much higher levels. So, and I can also show it to you here based on past performance. So you can see here we got a touch. Here that was the Corona dump, so you cannot take this into account that we dropped there under. Here we got a bounce. Here we got a really beautiful bounce. So, and it could be that somewhere here we get another bounce, or even here we get another bounce. So, but if we would get here a bounce, it would be at $42,000, or here all the way up at $50,000. This is this here is progressing with $4,000 per week, where we are not touching this parabolic curve. So every weekly candle that we are printing to touch the bottom here of the parabolic curve is $4,000 higher than the previous week. So I want to have here again a quick look in the chat to stream. So let me see. Walmart food, Macedonia. Yeah, so let me have here a look in the chat if there's something interesting. So not for now. Yeah, so then let me get here into Solana. So Solana could have potentially hit here already the bottom. So, and that will be confirmed in my opinion if we are breaking here above $174. Once we are breaking above that level and we are retesting it as support and then get a bounce, then this is for me confirmed. And that could be also a possibility where you could open a new trade, but definitely wait for the retest here, because we don't want to see a failed retest where a retest come a little bit up and then actually go here to the downside. That's something that we don't want. I would make sure that this is a confirmed retest, and and that would be for me the case when we are moving here over $180. So wait for the price to break above, wait for the retest, and when we are touching $180, that is the moment where you want to enter the trade, because then the likelihood that we are continuing to move here to the upside is dramatically increasing. So now, guys, if you enjoy this content and these short live streams that I'm doing here from time to time, then please subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell if you are new here to the channel. And let me get here once again into the chat really quick. So I will stop the live stream here in a couple of minutes. So sorry, I don't look into XRP. XRP is something that I absolutely don't like. So that's why I'm not getting into that. So we are here 17 minutes already in the stream. So when we are reaching 20 minutes, I will stop the stream, not the screen. So let me have a look here then also quick again into eGold. So eGold is surprisingly doing well, but I see here some warning signs. So we had here a top, here we had now a lower high. So, and it could be that we are forming here now a double top, and then we are actually moving here now to the downside, even though we get in here now a bounce from the 1236 Fibonacci level. But let us have a look where the retracement level would actually sit if we get from here. So there you see the retracement level would be all the way down on the golden ratio to $192, $186. So that would be a $60 drop up to an $80 drop almost to the downside. So we should wait and see what's happening here. If this is not pumping back to the upside past $280, then I would be also really cautious with eGold here, because we could technically come down into the golden pocket before we then see here a bounce again. So let me check here. Yeah, thank you, Vladimir, that you love the live streams. Guys, I'm really sorry. It is getting late here. Sorry for that, guys. So, let me put here the camera on again. Yeah, thank you guys for everybody that was here on the live stream. I will end the live streams now. So thank you for everybody that was here. I really appreciate each and every one of you that was here. If you enjoy these live streams when I do them from time to time, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time when I go live here and go directly into the charts without any big blah blah. And yeah, I hope to see you then tomorrow on the next video. Enjoy your evening, your morning, wherever you are in the world, and remember, I will see you tomorrow.